Okay, so if there's a printer jam, paper jam, this OfficeJet Pro 9010 series. So the thing with the jam is it actually goes in a, so back here, so you'd open this, or I probably need to wait till this finishes. No cartridges need to be replaced. Okay, so once you open that, don't open any of these other ones, you go straight to this door here. So you open this, and then under here there's this blue thing. So here you actually have to lift this one up.
Oh,
and some paper goes in here as well. Yeah, so the paper gets jammed in there. So you can remove in here and then here. But also the rollers, you need to make sure they're good. So on the bottom, let me see here, because the clip that was holding it got messed up. Loose, right? It got messed up, so let me show you. I hope this holds well, but let me see. So we'll turn it on the side. Actually, take this out first.
Yeah, it was loose when you check it.
Yeah, so now I kind of like taped it up. Let me show you here. So here I made this one stay on there. So I wrapped it around the back and then wrapped it this way, and then I used tape, and then this can still spin. Hopefully nothing gets stuck in there, but if for some reason it comes out, this technically isn't too important because either way this wobbles, but if this is out then it just wobbles a lot more. But it seems like it should be okay even without that thing completely secured there. So let's, yeah, I don't know, that's what I was wondering. It feels kind of greasy, so I don't know what that is. It might be some toner leaked out, but I didn't see anything weird in here, so I don't know. It could be in the back here. If you print a lot, there's a waste toner thing that it wipes it off whenever it switches to like other colors, and then just over time it fills up. It might be overfilling, but it doesn't seem like it has any issues now, so we can try.